session. Racers 1 to 3. Now. And the skyline is back running against General Lee. How often do you see that there?
Goldstone is getting ready to come back again, and he says in general there is a lot of thrashing going on in the pits. Either people having to fix their cars to hit the road or fix their cars fast to make it into this final session. Racers, once again, lanes will close at 2 o'clock. That is roughly 50 minutes, 5-0 from right now. And the Skyline is back running against the General Lee. How often do you see that pairing? It's the JDM Skyline right-hand drive, 6-cylinder stick car. Banging gears, look at that. He's actually given a run to the General Lee. Once again, almost a drag race. And there you go, the Skyline 1357. And the Charger's quicker at 13.1, but if he didn't have a 1.5 second reaction time, he might have gotten her first.
That he put down a little earlier.
Then again, urgency was lacking yesterday. Well, I gotta say that. There's a lot of hanging out going on as the General Lee returns to the line. Bob Hess on the left-hand side in modified Power Adder. .884, yesterday's best time for Hess. And he's of course fighting against that Volvo that runs in the bottom sevens. So he's not going to quite get there, but he does run bottom eights, 810 at 171 miles an hour.